Okay, here I am with a set of with the seeding tray. I have done previous videos with seeding trays for different vegetables and flowers. This is another set. What am I going to do today? I have this seeding tray with my standard potting mix. This is the potting mix that I've used over the years, in sense that this originally had some soil, and over the years I've added a lot more organic material. I've added nutrients, leaves, dry leaves, mulch, everything going in, decaying, forming part of this potting mix. So now I expect that it's a fairly rich organic um, uh, potting mix. Good. It looks black in some points, which is good actually. And this is more of the potting mix that I'll use to cover up. Now the holes are mostly filled. I'm going to plant flowers in this, so they just need a couple of 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter covering on top, not a deeper one that I would use for gourds or okra or other seeds. These just require a small dusting of uh, the potting mix on top. What else do I need? I have these seeds here, Gaillardia. They produce a good bright flower. You can see the colors. And typically in the past, I've bought these flower plants from outside. But I'm going to try to make a lot more of my flowers this time from seeds. And flowers are essential in any garden because they pollinators get attracted by them, especially bees and butterflies, and those are important for any kind of plant that you have. And then what I always do, I have this plastic sheet. This will cover the entire seeding tray. So what happens is, it's hot outside. If I didn't cover it, this seeding tray, even though it has fairly deep holes, will get dry very fast. I can't go out 3 times a day to moisten it, and also because the seeds will not have a chance to germinate if they keep on getting dry. So this covering it with this ensures that the moisture remains there for a larger period of days, 3 days, 4 days, and then I'll check up again, and if necessary I'll add more water on top to moisten it. And this, the potting mix needs to be moist. It does not need to be wet, soaking wet, just a bit more than moist, because some water vapor will form from the heat, and the potting mix should not become dry. But otherwise we're good to go with this. In the next part of this video, I'll take out the seeds, and then I'll start putting them into this, and then I'll cover them and I'll show you the whole process. Germination of course will take more time. That's a different set. But right now this is around 3 minutes, so we'll stop for now, and I'll get you to the next part.